Hey guys, it's Daniel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a landing page with GetResponse for you affiliate marketers. It's pretty simple. So let's go into my account with GetResponse. And we're going to go up here and create a landing page. We're going to build one from scratch. And over here you have lots of templates that you could use. Scroll down and you see all these simple ones. Let's just pick this one. It looks pretty simple. Because simple landing page. Pretty simple. Monster is loading your template. Don't be scared by the monster. I guess that's their mascot for GetResponse. Here we are. Okay, so we can delete that. We can delete that. And I'm going to show you how to move things up. It's pretty simple. And this is your form box. Oh, don't want to do that. There we go. A couple things. It's pretty easy. We can change the background color, but definitely not going to change the background color to red. Anyway, so let's say how to make a simple landing page. And this is your subtitle. Easiest landing page to collect email address video. There you go. Pretty simple. And that's not really centered, so. So again, you can, this is your form. See the blue square? You can move that up, move it down. You can change that to red. Oops, not that color red. You can say, click here. Things like that. And over here, you've got, you can insert an image. You can insert your own button like that. Whoop. Double click. See? Let's delete that because we don't want that button. We want to keep this button. I'm just having some fun because this is kind of cool. So that's basically it. You got your mobile. See? You got your preview button for your mobile. See? Over here, you can go back to your desktop. Shows what it looks like on the desktop. And let's do this. Okay, let's close this. And we're going to go create your thank you page. Again, you can have your brand logo if you have that. You can insert an image here. I hope you enjoyed how easy, still I can't type, easy it is to create a simple landing page. Thank you. No, we don't need this. We can delete it. There we go. Download now if you want to download a video. And then you go up here next step and you get technical stuff that you have to figure out. I'll probably make a video of that, and it's pretty simple, I think. I mean, you see how simple it is to create a landing page. So if you have any questions, leave it in the comments below. And you can get a free 30-day trial with GetResponse, and I'll leave that link in the description box below. But again, thanks for watching, and subscribe to this video and hit the ding 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 bell button, and you will get notified when I create a new video. So thanks again. See you guys.